Welcome. If you're looking to update your Facebook profile and want to remove your workplace from your page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete your workplace from your Facebook page using your PC, all based on the latest Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select your profile to enter your personal page. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the About section. You'll usually find it in the menu bar just below your cover photo. Click on About to access all your personal details. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and click on Work and Education. This is where all your workplace and education details are stored. Now scroll down to the Workplace section. Next to your listed workplace, you'll notice 3 small dots. These are the Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open up more actions you can take. From the options that appear, select Delete Workplace. Facebook will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this workplace from your profile. Double-check to make sure you're deleting the correct information, then click Confirm. And that's it. Your workplace has now been removed from your Facebook page. This update will take effect immediately, so your profile will no longer display the workplace you just deleted. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.